So when you stop before the sidewalk, then you just kind of crawl out there. So you just poke the nose out in case there's someone there. They'll see the nose of your car, hopefully, and hopefully stop. And we're going to go straight.
Okay.
Oh yeah, usually I make a left turn after the blue building here, but it's closed right now for the festival, so we'll keep going straight.
Okay.
If you were to make a left turn here, if it was open,
Yeah.
it would be through the yellow lines here and to the left of the concrete island.
Left. Okay.
And then right turns are on the other side of the island.
Yep.
I've seen people make a left turn all the way around the island into the wrong lane because they don't realize it's a one-way street
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
At the traffic lights ahead, we're going to make a left turn. Another wonky intersection.
Yeah. You said left turn?
Yeah.
It's not gonna go like that.
Yeah, sharp left. And it's, it's a one-way or two-way or
Looks like a one-way.
a one-way? What color's the line over there?
Looks white. Oh, it's sorry. That's looking at the wrong way.
Uh-huh.
That's
It's a little,
yellow.
yeah, it's a little confusing, right? But also, you can go because you can see the arrows.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be there if you were going the wrong way on a one-way.
True.
There's the yellow line.
Yep. That's why I was looking at this line right here.
Yeah. That's why I wanted you to pick that out so you saw it. And we're going to turn left at the lights here. So here, the stop line is a little further back than the other one.
Yeah.
Why is that?
So they can see traffic, I think.
That's a good reason, but there's also another reason.
Um.
Buses turning the corner.
Oh yeah.
They need more space.
for sure.
And the drivers get annoyed with people who don't stop at the lines here because it impedes them.
Definitely. Yeah.
But the first reason you mentioned, that's also
Yeah.
a good reason too.
Yeah.
Lets them see to their left.
Yeah.
See, too many people stop in the crosswalk, making it almost impossible for someone to make a right turn because they're blocking their view. So we're going to go under the bridge, and you can make your right lane change.
I should make my right lane change.
Yeah. And your speed here is going to be 60.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Hey, this is Al Smith, and you're listening to Pure Country.
So that was pretty tame by comparison. Between Monday and Friday, they're downtown doing the one-ways. It's absolutely insane,
Sure, yeah.
especially around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's rush hour.
Yeah. And for some of my more nervous students, I see their blood pressure rising, and then you get off the one-ways and everything, and then suddenly they're like driving really well. We're going to make a left lane change. And we'll turn left down the one-way street here. There's 2 arrows indicating there's 2 lanes. So it's a 2-lane, one-way street. But the issue here is you can't see the left lane until you start turning. So you just use the curb to guide you into the left lane.
Okay.
Or the snowbank in the winter.
Yeah.
See how that works?
Yeah.
And then we look for ducks and parked cars. Choose the lane of least resistance.
Switch lanes here?
Yeah. What's that?
I switched lanes there?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. When you're on a one-way, you choose the lane of least resistance, whichever has more open space. You
Sure.
know. At the stop sign, we're gonna make a